Hi, boys and girls. Welcome. Okay, today is Monday 1st, June 2020. And the topic, have you ever been hacking? And performance, identify vocabulary. In this class, we work with the vocabulary to identify the vocabulary that you have in your page 24, okay? The activity is write and draw the meaning. Okay, wait for that you copy. Continue. Okay, the vocabulary is about the allergic reaction. Look the face, probably she ate something that or smell or touch something that make an allergic reaction. Surgery. When you go to the hospital, okay? Broken a bone, oh, it's bad. When you running and you fall and broken a bone. When you was playing soccer or any sport, okay? Broken a bone. X-ray. Okay, looks when you need this because the doctor need to know what happened with your bones. If you broken a bone, immediately you need that. X-rays. Okay, very fast, probably very fast. Okay, review the vocabulary. Burnt. Okay, when something is hot, very hot, and you touch and wow. You can stop the video and draw the image, okay? And first foot and cut. When you cut, oh, this is bad. And paint and curl. Okay. It's like this. You like, oh, it's here. Oh, okay. This is the vocabulary that you need copy in your notebook with color. And in the other class we continue, okay? This is the activity for today. I hope that you are okay and see you. Bye.